everything just went
okay. So
blank.
I don't know if he's gonna put this in the vlog, but basically I'm headed to work. As you can see, you can't see my uniform, but my boyfriend Eddie asked me to bring him his camera to work, and he wants me to get him a breakfast burrito from Chick-fil-A. I'm already running late, but since I love the man, I'm gonna do it. And he told me to start the vlog. I don't know, I don't know which one it is. But anyways, so I put the camera on my thing right here, and there's literally no memory card in the camera, which is like not the first time that this has happened. So you're slacking. Literally, you're slacking. Do better. I was actually kind of excited because I feel like, I don't know, I'm so nervous. I don't know how he does this all the time. Yeah, I also don't have any radio in my car. Not that I could play music anyways, but he hasn't got a code for me I need for my radio because my battery died from the dealership. It's this whole thing. But I'm just a girl, so I don't really do that stuff. I'm waiting for him to do it. It says no memory card.
What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. As you guys see, my girl started the vlog, but this is Vlogmas day 10, bro. It is day 10, but I think it's gonna get uploaded on day 11. So I missed another day. I got off of work and I took a nap, and then time went by and I was like, fudge, bro. Like, that's why I hate laying on my bed when I get home from work, because then I end up knocking out. So that's where I messed up, but still gotta wrap it, and we gotta add the Christmas lights. For the Christmas lights, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, and I appreciate y'all for showing love on all the videos, even the last video. Y'all been killing it with the support, and I appreciate y'all. All the new subscribers, I appreciate y'all. We got the lights, and this is how the lights look. They're pretty thin, and I don't think these would scratch up the paint because they're pretty thin. They're not like those green Christmas lights that are like, you know what I mean. But we got these, and I was thinking, hear me out, what if we went down with those, and we went down all around, and we started doing like the outlines of like the diffuser, like putting it on here, you know, like following just the weave, then going around the body line, going around the side skirt, and just going around the whole car basically. And I think that would look dope, even doing it around the lip, going all around again, and then eventually kind of making the pattern. I don't know if I'm gonna go throughout the whole side of the doors and all that, but we shall see. I still don't know how I'm gonna do it, but that's like an idea I had of doing it, so I think that would be dope. Like, imagine just the whole car outlined from the lip all around to the car. I think that would be sick. Even the diffuser, that'd be dope. Initially, just following the body lines around the whole car, I think that would be sick. And then for the wrapping paper, I'm thinking like the roof, possibly the doors, possibly, and even the fenders. But then like it'd be blue and gray. It's like I have to do the whole bumper, but I don't want to do the bumper because the bumper looks hard as hell. Yeah, I think we might just do the doors. If not the doors, we'll just do this little side piece right here. But we'll see as we come up. I don't know. I don't want to fully scratch my paint either, so we're gonna be cautious with this. We might start with the lights first. I'm gonna set you guys up. I'm gonna get the DJI mic. This would be a perfect opportunity to use that. It's a little mini mics, and then yeah, we'll get it started. Again, guys, I appreciate y'all for showing love on the videos. It really means a lot. It motivates me, and yeah, truly appreciate you guys, for real. All right, so we got the mic set up. You guys see it has a little wind buffer right here. But this is dope. Now I can use the little mic and set you guys up somewhere. I don't have a tripod, which sucks. And the lighting ain't the best in my garage, so we're gonna see what we can do right now. We're gonna, you know, be creative. Be creative right now, making up a tripod. I don't know, I guess it kind of works. Not really, because it's kind of dark. Yeah, lighting in here sucks, bro. So try to bear with me right now. I don't know how I'm gonna start this. There goes the light. I think I have to back up over here. All right, so let's see how we start this, bro, because I absolutely have no idea how to start. So there, we're gonna start from the trunk. So we'll open this up, and I think we could just leave this in here somewhere. It's either start from here on the top, or I start from the bottom and then just kind of follow the lines. I start from here and then I go follow the body line. Gotta untangle this. All right, so we might have a little problem. I don't think they're long enough. Like, I ordered 2 of them, but I don't think it's gonna be long enough to probably go all around the car. Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe it'll go around the body lines. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try to make it work, but it's gonna be very tough. I'm gonna see. The idea I'm going with is going with the body lines, like I said. So going from the diffuser all around, then going from the wheel well, and then I'm probably gonna drop it all the way down to the side skirt. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Damn, it's not long enough. Let me see. Whoa. Damn, that shit smacked the shit in my car. All right, you know what? This might actually work, bro. It's gonna take me some time, but I think it might work. But it would only be the body lines, like from the outside. So down to the diffuser right here, to the body line of the wheel, then to the side skirt all around. Then we're gonna try to go in here to the sides, the fenders, point it in, bring it out, tape it here, and then just continue all around from the front lip and then the other side. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Hell yeah. I'll probably set up the camera somewhere else to get better lighting. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Like I said, y'all, lighting ain't the best right now. And I'm solo, so I have no one to help me. But we're gonna try to do this. Probably start it from like right here. But then we got the Scotch tape. I hope this doesn't ruin my paint, bro. Let's see if I can do this though. Oh, fuck. Then we should like start it right here. I just hope the tape sticks. We're still continuing it. Dude, the lighting looks so bad. But we're working with what we got. Almost got this first side done, so hopefully the idea comes out as good as I imagined it. I would cry if it didn't. I'd be like, no, I failed. But so far we're doing pretty good. Now I'm in the front, almost done. I think I'm literally gonna get like halfway, literally, which is cool. I think I'm literally gonna finish halfway. It would actually be sick because I could do half wrapping paper, half Christmas lights. Because it's literally is about to finish on the halfway mark. Actually, it's getting almost more than half the lip done. I might get the full lip done. Then I actually might go the whole lip. What are you doing?
What the hell? What are you doing? Dude, are you really wrapping your gift?
My gift?
You really wrapping the card?
And Christmas lights.
Oh my
Yup.
god.
Alright guys, I finished up. Now we just gotta get batteries. Let me show you guys how it looks. So we got it all around the front lip, all around the sides, just like how I explained it to you guys. And now we just gotta add lights into the battery pack and it should be good. So I started off from right there, but I think if we literally started from halfway, we would have been done like halfway. But because I started at the end, it got to the end of that front lip. So it's gonna be like lit up all the way till right here. Then the rest will be empty. Unless I get the other light and I finish it off. First, we'll see how it looks like this. And if I need to add the other light to make it kind of complete the look, then I'll do it. But let me see if I have batteries first. All right, so I finished up and I'm looking at it right now, bro, and it looks so sick. But I think I'm gonna finish the other side of the car because right now it's like missing the other side. It just needs it. But it looks sick, bro. Let me know what you guys think. Look, bro, tell me this doesn't look sick, bro. Following the body lines, even the fenders. I tried right here my best, but it is what it is, you feel me? Come on, bro, tell me that doesn't look sick, bro. Imagine this thing rolling. So we're gonna do the other side right now. We're gonna finish it. Probably gonna start the other side right here so it can just fully complete the end and finish off on that side. Looks sick though, bro. And then yeah, we still have to add the wrapping paper. I'm thinking of adding the wrapping paper on the roof possibly, and then we might get the antler ears to just finish it off, and then maybe the Rudolph nose right here too. I think that would be sick, bro. And then take it down Winter Wonderland. Whoo, that'd be so sick, bro. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. We still gotta finish the other half though, because the other half is completely naked. Yep. So if I finish this by tonight, this video will be up tonight. If not, this video will be up tomorrow. Unfortunately, I started this video so late that it's gonna be on day 11, but it's really day 10. So yeah, I'm gonna have some catching up to do. So yeah, bro, this is so sick. I'm actually happy I did this, because I really was debating on whether doing the Christmas lights or not, but I'm actually happy I did it. But I might have to add more tape because, bro, I chose the worst day to do it, and it is so windy, bro. It's like so windy today, so I might not even drive the car tomorrow. I might end up taking my dad's truck if it's really windy. So hopefully it ain't. Could probably just drive it down like up the street right here so we can get it in the middle of the street how it looks at night, and then we'll put this thing back in the garage. But let me finish the other side now. So I finally finished. We still need the Christmas wrapping paper, but all the lights are done, and bro, it looks sick. You guys seen the first half already, but now I'm gonna show you guys full, complete, and it looks sick, bro. We got the other side complete now. This thing looks so sick, bro. Obviously, we probably could have done all this too, but I ran out of lights. This is it. This was both of them all together, and bro, it looks so sick. It's so windy right now. I don't think I'll be able to drive it tomorrow. I don't know, but I do want to take it out and at least like put it somewhere in the corner, maybe over there, just to see how it looks at night. I'll probably just put it in the middle right here. But yeah, this thing looks so sick. All right, so I'm just hoping this doesn't fly off, but I'm just trying to put it in the middle right there. So that shit looks crazy, bro. It is so windy, but it looks crazy. What do you guys think? Here, we could obviously change the colors. I'm gonna have to get closer to the back to change the colors. This is how it looks. We probably could have added way more, but I only got enough for 2 and do all this, but I think it looks sick. See? There you go. Has all these different modes. So we got this mode, that mode. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that one looks crazy. Damn, dude, imagine driving like that. Oh my god, let me see how it looks down the road. I want to get a picture over there next to them. I wonder also how good is the mic with me driving. I wonder, hopefully it doesn't lose signal. How's it look?
Looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let me see. The camera. I'm gonna go over there. I thought it would be so cool to come by the neighbor's house. Dude, look at that. That looks insane, bro. Tell me that doesn't look crazy, bro. That looks insane. Bro, I'll definitely get a ticket driving like this for sure. I don't even think I need to add the Christmas wrapping paper, bro. This is already festive enough. Maybe just add the reindeers and the Rudolph nose, and I think we should be straight. But bro, let me know what you guys think. It is very dark, but obviously you guys can see everything else. It looks so sick. I was telling the vlog right now I want to do the reindeer ears and then the Rudolph nose.
That's cool.
This looks so sick, bro. I was telling I don't even think I need to add the Christmas wrapping paper. I feel like I don't even need to do that.
On the mirror caps.
Like the mirror caps and the roof. That'd probably be cool.
You could even just do a swans and mirror cap.
Yeah.
You can add the reindeer.
True. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Should I add the Christmas wrapping paper or should I just add the reindeer ears and the Rudolph nose? Let me know, because I think this is festive enough. Imagine driving down, what's it called? Winter Wonderland?
Oh,
Yeah, I think we definitely have to do that for a video. I got to order those reindeer ears and the Rudolph nose, and this should be sick. Let me know what you guys think. Was this a dope idea, or should I have gone full out on the whole car? I think this is cool, bro. I think this is solid because it goes with the body lines, the rear diffuser, and then the side skirts, the whole front lip. Bro, I think I killed it. I think the vision is there and it looks good. Holy shit, that is sick, bro. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for your boy, and be part of the family so you can see insane things like this, bro. And stay tuned, because we are gonna take this down Winter Wonderland to get people's reactions, and then it looks so sick with a bunch of houses looking like that. It'll be sick. But yeah, this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.